Food labeling is confusing. But do not be deceived. When orange juice says it's non-GMO, please recognize that all oranges are non-GMO. The only potential GMO products in the USA are papaya, corn, alfalfa, soybeans, cotton, potatoes, squash, canola, sugar beets, and apples. When organic milk is labeled antibiotic-free, remember that all dairy products, including milk, are always antibiotic-free. Same applies to me. Those bananas advertised as cholesterol-free. That's because all bananas are cholesterol-free. When a jar of peanuts says it is made in a plant that processes peanuts, just use your common sense and roll your eyes. When a bag of apples says it is gluten-free, remember that gluten comes from wheat. When you see a Facebook post that talks about hormones in beef, please understand that an 8 ounces serving of beef has 2 to 3 nanograms of estrogen. An 8 ounces serving of white bread has 136,080 nanograms of estrogen. And 8 ounces of soy flour has 342,468,000 nanograms of estrogen. All living things produce estrogen, it's just science. When that carton of eggs says that they came from vegetarian-fed chickens, don't forget that chickens are naturally omnivores. So yes, eat healthy, but don't be swayed by deceptive advertising. Be informed. No farms, no food. Know your farmers, know your food. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Please check the links in the description.